Hello all, let's draw some circles and lines today. Let's practice lines, curves and circle. Okay, now as drawing circle is tough, we should do some warm up before. For that, hold your pen lightly without any pressure, without the support of your wrist and your hands on the table. Draw a loose circle. We should practice loose circle over and over. Okay, let's do some practice stuff. It's like a warm up before drawing. Draw a loose circle without your pressure, without the support of your wrist. Draw loosely, more and more. Take a paper and a pen and draw a circle like this in the full paper. Draw loosely, no more pressure. Do loose circles more and more. Okay, in like circle, practice some ovals. Okay, draw slow, not slowly. Draw loosely and speedy. Only the nib of your pencil should be on the paper. Likewise, do some ellipse exercise. Draw loosely over and over. Okay, draw loosely, more ellipse. It's like a warm up before drawing. Now try to draw a circle. Yes, try again until you get a better shape. Try. Okay, this is okay. Just erase the edge. Let's fix it up. Okay, I'm just resizing the shape and the location. Okay, I'm keeping it for later. Let's move on to some lines and curves. We finish up the circle. Now moving on to lines. Like circle, we are going to do some line exercise. Take a paper and loosely draw a straight line, speedily, just like a circle. Draw and draw until you get a better size. Draw in a full page from one edge to the other edge of the paper. I'm just doing it in digitally, so I'm just erasing it and showing you. Draw like this, more and more lines. You can also try vertical lines, more vertical lines. Loosely draw it without any pressure. Draw from one page to another page. Okay, we are moving on to some curve practice. Also warm up. Just draw curves without taking off your hands. Whatever curve lines you know, just draw them slowly, steadily, without taking your hands off. Yeah, waves like curve, whatever curves you know, just doing it as a practice. Just a warm up before drawing anything, so that you get a control of your hands. It's a dotted line. Okay, we are going on to other chapter. We are going to do some emotions, expressions. Let's see some expression. I'm just teaching you a basic expression. Happy mood, sad mood, angry, surprise. Some basic expression. For that, for happy, draws to eyes, eyebrows are raised, and your lips are like a curve. Draw, if you have any doubt, take a mirror in front of you and draw what you see, and do some expression in your face and draw whatever you see, whatever the change. Sorry for the disturbance. Whatever changes you see in your eyebrows, lips, just draw them. Do some crazy expression in front of your mirror. For angry, your eyebrows are inverted and lips too. For surprise, oh, like that. Eyebrows are raised. Okay, let's keep this basic expression, and with that lines, curves and circles, let's do some funny exercise today. Okay, just see the circle as a sun with the lines and circles and this expression we have tried. We are going to draw a cute sun. Okay, I'm just moving the circle to draw. Okay, let's draw a cute sun. I'm taking a basic lines. This is the rays for the sun, but now we are going to do with this curves on the left side, which we used for some practice. We can do this spiral, we can do this waves, spiral again, some straight lines, some spirals, some waves, whatever you like you can do. This is for today's exercise. Okay, some curves, some dotted lines, whatever you like, you can practice. But I'm going to try take a single curve and going to draw it in a different way. I'm taking this 1 2 3 4 1 that waves. I'm going to do this as a race for the sun. Draw without taking your hands. Try to draw. Yeah, okay, sorry. I'm just taken off. Okay. Try to draw without taking your hands, not like me. Okay. Now we are going to include these emotions to the sun. I'm taking this happy expression for the sun. I'm just drawing the eyes, another eyes, smiling lips, raise the eyebrows. Okay. I'm going to add some cute stuffs here. I'm trying to draw some glasses, normal glasses. You can add, instead you can also add some hats, hair bows, cool drinks with straw. You can add some hands. You can add some friendly clouds. Okay, I don't feel satisfied with that, so I'm just drawing 2 glasses. Okay, now I'm going to do some our favorite session, coloring a tab. I'm taking this bucket. Oops, sorry, there's some gap between the rays. Going to fix it. Sorry. Okay. I'm taking some oranges for the sunshine color and yellow for the brightening up. Inside the glass, I'm going to do some blushes for the sun so that it will look nice. Okay, blushy orange, cute little blushes. Okay, that's all for today. You can also add some other accessories like sparkles with these curves. Not only this, you can create new curves, also new expressions. Whatever you see on your mobile, take your favorite emojis and do that expressions here and show me tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. I'm waiting for your responses. You can add some hands like this. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Today's session is over.